We all grew up with the twin-size bed. It was probably our first bed as a child. It is kind of a big deal when moving from a nursery-size bed to a larger, independent bed. Twin-size beds are becoming increasingly popular among adults and kids. No need to change a bed when your kid is growing. Low-profile bed for those striving for beds safe for their children. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Standard twin-size bed frame. Overall dimension, length 77 inches by width 42 inches by height 37 inches. 77 inches twin bed frame. Suit for those in need of more legroom and can be used in college dorms, guest rooms, etc. Perfect item for small room. Number 2. Twin bed frame with drawers. Built-in storage drawer can store your staff or your kids' toys. Great satisfaction for those in pursuit of being organized. Number 3. Wood bed frame with headboard. Expertly crafted and fine finish headboard equally suited to both traditional and contemporary bedrooms. Every sweet dream comes with a stylish headboard. Number 4. Solid wood bed frame. Bed frame wood slats support. Strong enough for kids, adult under 200 pounds. Headboard pine wood. Slats solid wood, no box spring required. Perfect mattress foundation. Number 5. Easy assemble bed frame. Easy to put together with clear instruction. The storage bed frame rests 8.1 inches above floor. No big fall ever after with low profile bed frame. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. It will take 2 to 7 days to arrive. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.